Good morning, student. How are you? I hope that you will be fine. After electrolysis in chemistry of 10th, I am going to start metallurgy. Chapter 6, metallurgy. What is metallurgy? It is a branch of chemistry in which we study about extraction of metal. Now I am using the term metal. Before that, I am going to discuss about the elements. These elements are generally classified in that time in three groups. Before that, in I say like 17th century, the metals are defined, classified in only two groups, that are metals and non-metals. Afterward, novel-less. But in 19th century, one more is that metallite. Metallites. Leave this one. Now, in this chapter, we will study about extraction of only metals. Before that, I am going to discuss about alloy. The history of alloy belongs to the sword of Tipu Sultan. English, because the sword of Tipu Sultan is very thin and very hard. The English people ask what material used for making this sword. In that time, the English people apply the pressure of the workers or local people. Then they find that the sword is made of the alloy. What is the alloy? Alloy is the homogeneous mixture of two or more metal or non-metal in molten state. From that is the history of the alloy, and about alloy we will study on this chapter. Now, my topic is metallurgy. It is a branch of chemistry in which we study about extraction of metals. What do we mean by extraction? The process of finding pure metal from its ore is known as extraction. Answer is that the process of finding pure metal from its ore is known as extraction. Now next question, what is the ore? What is the ore? Ore are the minerals from which metal is obtained profitably. Ore are the mineral from which metal is obtained profitably. Why I am using the word profitably? Suppose that if you are doing any business, your input is more than your output, so that you will start the business. So your input will be more less than your output, means you will be in profit. Ore are the mineral from which metal is obtained profitably. What is minerals? The material obtained from the earth crust from which ore you can get, that material is called minerals. Now, two more word is that matrix. This matrix not belong to your mathematics. In matrix you writing definition here defined as Aij M crossing. The rectangular representation of the element in the form of I, and Z column of the order n cross n known as matrix. But here matrix means something other. Here matrix means impurities. The impurities present in the ore along with silicon dioxide, dust particle and other. The impurities present in the ore known as matrix are gangue. Matrix or gangue. See that Gangue. Gangue. This word you are familiar with this word gangue. I have gangue. I will see you out of the school. I will see you out of the because I have gangue. Gangue is the impurities which are present in the society. The impurities which are present in the society known as gangue. Similarly, the impurities which are present in the ore known as matrix or gangue. Okay, same definition is that related to your life. The impurities present in the society where we are living known as the gangue. In chemistry, same word is that the impurities present in the ore in the form of silicon dioxide, dust particle and other impurities that are called gangue or matrix. Now, next word, flux. Flux. This is not magnetic flux, only this is the flux. The material added to the ore for removal of the impurities, just like honest police officer. These are the material substances which are present in our society for removal of the matrix, means gangue. That material is called flux. What I say? The people, honest police officer which are present in our society for removal of the gangue known as flux. Same definition in chemistry. The material added to the ore for removal of the impurities known as flux. These are terms from the metallurgy. What is the metallurgy? It is a branch of chemistry in which we study about extraction of metal. What is extraction? The process of finding pure metal from its ore known as extraction. What is the ore? Ore are the mineral from which metal is obtained profitably. What is mineral? Mineral are the substance which are obtained from the earth crust in which we get ores. Now, what is the matrix or gangue? The impurities present in the ore known as flux. Matrix or gangue. What is the flux? The substance added to the ore for removal of the matrix or gangue known as flux. Now see that my question is that the process of finding pure metal from its ore profitably known as the ore. What are the method or process to finding pure metal from its ore? Suppose that ore we can find in the form of the rock, digger. And in this chapter beginning given the difference between metal and non-metal. You know that mostly metal having high melting and boiling point, non-metal have low melting and boiling point. Metal are good conductor of heat and electricity, and non-metal are bad conductor of heat and electricity except fuel. Metal have high density, non-metal having low density. Metal are malleable, non-metal are non-malleable. Metal are ductile, non-metal are non-ductile. Metal having soundness, when you beat some sound you will get. Non-metal are having no soundness. A lot of difference you have studied in lower classes. Now, what are the methods involved from finding pure metal from its ore? About that method I am going to explain. First, suppose that you will get the ore in the form of the big rock. Okay? See that first method is involved crushing and grinding. Crushing and grinding. In this, that big rock convert into the small pieces, that is crushed, grinding convert into the powder shape, that is grinding. Next stage, concentration. Concentration of ore. Two methods are there. One physical method, one chemical method. Physical method generally just as I am going to explain that. You know winnowing. Villagers, mostly farmers know winnowing. Okay, in that dust particle, lighter particle in the presence of air, it's move away and heavier particle remain there. Hand tinkling. Mostly women are using this method at home for removal of the stone from the rice or pulses. They are removing the stone or other particle from their grains. That is physical method. I will explain what are method involving concentration of the ore. Second one, third one, conversion of ores into metallic oxide. Metallic oxide. Conversion of ore, concentrated ore into metallic oxide. For that, two methods are there. First one roasting, second one calcination. First one roasting. What is the roasting? See that I will explain this concentration, but I want to finish this topic. Roasting. See that if you have iron pyrites or zinc blend, that is a ore of zinc, iron pyrites, FeS2. In oxygen, presence of oxygen, zinc oxide and sulfur dioxide, SO2. Now 2 here, 2 here. 6 oxygen. Conversion of metallic ore in metallic oxide in presence of air at a high temperature. This is called roasting. What is the roasting? Conversion of metallic ore into metallic oxide in presence of air at a high temperature known as roasting. See this example. 11O2 is formed 2Fe2O3 plus 8SO2 4. This reaction you already studied in the production of sulfur dioxide in contact process, sulfuric acid preparation lab. In contact process, preparation of sulfuric acid, you have already studied this equation. Conversion of metallic ore into metallic oxide in presence of oxygen at a high temperature known as roasting. Now calcination. Next point is that calcination. Remember that one word is catenation. Catenation means self-linking of carbon. That is called catenation. This is calcination. Conversion of metallic ore, zinc carbonate, into metallic oxide in the absence of air at a low temperature. Conversion of metallic ore, zinc या कैलेमाइन the conversion of ore into metallic oxide in absence of air at a low temperature, that is called calcination. This is our third conversion of ore into metallic oxide. Fourth one, reduction. For reduction, you know that if lead monoxide, if we use any reducing agent, it's from lead and water. By using reducing agent, you can reduce, that will be near about 90% pure metal, lead. Similarly, in case of Fe2O3, if you use carbon or carbon monoxide, it's form iron and carbon dioxide. It's form carbon dioxide. 3 iron and 3, 6, 3, 6. So here by using reducing agent, you can remove this one. So I have written only reduction. But in case of aluminium oxide, we can't use any reducing agent. So for that, electrolytic reduction is necessary. So I have written only reduction. Reduction is either by using reducing agent or by using annealing or by electrolytic reduction. Last point is that electro-refining. In electro-refining, refining means purification of the ore by the process of electrolysis known as electro-refining. What I say, up to electrolytic, up to reduction, I say that 90% you can prepare purity. Electrolytic reduction 90 to 95% you can get. But after electron refining, you will get 99.9% pure metal. The last topic will be electron refining. So I have explained electron refining, reduction, conversion of ore into metallic oxide by roasting or calcination. Now concentration of the ore. I am going to explain the physical method of concentration of the ore. First one, gravity suppression or hydraulic suppression. See that gravity suppression. This method we can use for removal of the dust particle or the particles which are the lighter than your metal. In this method, here in inclined position, like stairs, this bricks, and crush ore along with water, crush ore, allow to in this state. You see that the lighter particle and dust particle flow with the water and heavier will remain here. This method only used for removal of the dust particle or the lighter particle which are present in your ore. Second method is that magnetic suppression. The word magnetic means the substance or the substance which are attracted by magnet, the substance are called magnetic substance. Especially this method used for the suppression of the iron. See that magnetic suppression. One will, this is the made of non-magnetic substance. Other will made of the magnet. This made of the magnet. Now allow the ore crush ore just to allow it from here, and the direction of the wheel is rotate like that way, so that the ore will come like that, and the non-magnetic substance remain here, and magnetic substance will be remaining here due to magnetic force or magnetic field remain here. Means like that you can separate magnetic substance from non-magnetic substance. This is method only used for the concentration of the iron ore. Next point is that fourth flotation method. Fourth flotation method. This method generally used for the concentration of the sulfide ore. X having oil, grease, or some dust particle or lighter particle. Two methods are given. One method given in your book, but I will explain another method. See that this is your can. Here the ore of sulfide like zinc blende, calamine, zinc side, any ore are there. Here one pipe, and this pipe having hole at the lower level or bottom side. Allow the water with the pressure to move inside. You will notice that this water just like boiling. Just like take one glass of water in a straw, apply the pressure, air inside, the bubble will come. Okay? Same like bubble will come here, air bubble, or water will come here. You will see that the lighter particle in the form of the foam will collect here. And see, this level is higher than this level. The grease, iron, everything flows this side, and you will get concentrated sulfide ore. So only three methods are given, physical method. First one gravity suppression, second one magnetic suppression, third one fourth flotation method. After that, I will explain about the extraction of the aluminum. I am giving some homework. You will remember the ore of iron, ore of zinc, and the ore of aluminium. Ore of aluminium is bauxite. This is the main ore of aluminium. Cryolite, corundum. See the formula of the corundum. Mostly I am saying alumina. The percentage of aluminium in bauxite is maximum compared to the corundum. So bauxite is the main ore of the aluminium. So now I will teach about extraction of aluminium. Maybe question write two ore of aluminium along with the name and formula. Bauxite, cryolite, corundum. Similarly, zinc blende, calamine, zinc side. Similarly, iron, dolomite, hematite, and fluorspar, like that. Means that is given iron, aspetic iron, that is given. So you have to remember the name of the iron, ore of iron, ore of zinc, and ore of aluminium. Next video I will explain about extraction of aluminium from both sides. Thank you. Have a nice day.